Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to make green masala fish. So let's get straight into it. I took a deeper tray like this, so it's easy for me to dip the fish inside the masala nicely. Add 1 tomato and 1 onion grinded. Add grinded coriander and mint. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander and cumin powder, salt to taste, and mix it nicely. Once it is mixed, squeeze 1 lemon inside. And mix it again. Our masala is ready. I have snapper fillet here. Dip it in the masala nicely. Make sure it's all over it. Take it aside and do the same with rest of your fish. All our fish is nicely dipped inside. Now we're going to fry it. Put it in the oil, heated oil. Cover it and let it fry until it's golden color. Turn it around and do the same. Now in the same oil, if you need to put more oil, you can put more oil. Add your lefted masala. Mix it nicely and cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then open your lid, mix it nicely and see if there is more water. We need to dry the water. Just saute it until the water is gone on a medium flame. As you see, there's no more water. That means our masala is ready. Now just put it on top of your fish. Garnish it with corianders and lemon, and our green masala fish is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like it, please put your thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.